Hey, how are y'all doing today? I'm doing well. So as you can see, my hair is not purple anymore. The reason for that is because I'm coloring it today. Killstar came out with a color line apparently, or their makeup line brand called Coven. It's all seeing dye, which I love that. I saw it because I have been stalking this skirt since Thanksgiving and waiting for it to be restocked, and now it's not on the website at all, so it's probably just in the void somewhere, never to be seen again. Here's the colors. They had 2 shades of purple, 2 shades of red, and a shade of pink on the website, I think. So I ordered 2 shades of purple and the pink. The purple shade, I have 2. I'm going to be using one today. This one is called Wolfsbane, which is kind of funny because I'm watching Teen Wolf right now. And this one is called Hello Kitty. I don't know if I need to censor that and just put it on the screen right now. I don't know. I actually didn't realize it was called that. I thought it was called Hello Kitty until it came in. And I was like, that sounds kind of like a copyright incident, and then I saw it when it came in and I was like, ew, I just don't read. This one is called Gothic Grape and the packaging is sick. It's black with like this iridescence to it. And, oh, there's instructions in there. It's a lot darker. I'll probably use this by itself in the future. If you guys want to see that, let me know. If not, I'm probably just going to do it off camera. Prep my hair today to remove all the purple out of it. Here's what I did. I did a packet of Malibu DDL, left it on for 40 minutes. I just mixed it with water, no developer. And then I sprayed in it this Kenra Porosity Equalizing Spray. This color has been sitting in my room since Monday, and it's Saturday right now, and I've been dying to use it, but I've been so busy, I have not had the time. Forgot. I have these color bowls at work I was going to bring home to use, and we were really busy today. It was a prom, so I was doing updos and makeup on clients, and I forgot. So I could only find one color bowl. So we have Old Reliable here and then a paper plate because I can't find anything to put it in. I'm just a mess. I've got my hair parted and ready to go. Here is the purple shade. It's got like a slight scent to it. I can't like make it out though. Like, I'm not good at smells. Y'all know that. The consistency is really interesting. It's kind of like a... I don't know how to... Also forgot to mention there are 3.38 ounces in each package. And here's my sad paper plate. You guys are probably think I'm lying to you when I tell you I'm an actual hairstylist. I'm just a mess. Like, I need to get, you know what, after I do this, while my color is processing, I'm going to order in some hair coloring bowls. Because all of mine are at the salon. So let's get into it. I'm also trying to record a TikTok of this too. I'm trying to get into that so that I can get more followers on YouTube. And I told myself I was gonna not talk through this video and just color my hair and like you guys could watch, but I'm kind of in a talkative mood, so sorry. I'm actually a little tired too. I've been up since 4 o'clock. I had this like really crazy dream last night. I couldn't even begin to explain it and like try to get it to make sense either. Like, it was really wild. I used to have really crazy dreams and I remember most of them. And I've thought about doing like dream log videos if you guys would be interested in content like that. Cause I have weird, like my dreams are almost like story, like not stories, but like, well yeah, stories, or like episodes of a show or a movie. It's like things happen and then I'll have another dream and it's like the continuation of the dream I had before. It's like they connect in a way. And I had a lot of dreams back when I was in high school, and this one was almost like a connection to those. And one of my like old friends, like my childhood friends, he was in it. And I almost like messaged him and told him about it, but I was like, I haven't really talked to him for a while. Not like because of anything bad, like when you just grow apart. And I was like, that would be kind of weird if I just randomly like messaged him and like, hey, you were in my dream. But like, it was crazy. I'll try to explain it. I was living in a world, all of them are like, they're not like here in our world. It's like a different universe almost. And so in this universe, it's kind of like a Squid Game scenario. Like, you had to fight opponents and like come out and win and play like these games. Well, in one of the situations we were in, there was like 100 people on each team, and you had to go like in a 1v1 fight in like this arena. And each time you walked in, like, you had to, there was like different types of fights. Like, you might play like, you know, this one round and the rules apply to just that, and then the next opponents will come in and there's different ones. Well, I'm like standing there waiting for my turn, and I'm like watching these people fight, and then all of a sudden it's my childhood friend's turn to go fight, and he gets in the ring, and it's like me and him used to be pretty close. Like, I feel like like, you know, like when you're close to someone and you can kind of look at them and figure out what they're kind of thinking. And like, I was watching him like look at his opponent, because his opponent is like a lot bigger than him. And this kid, he used to wrestle. Like, I don't know if he watches my videos, but if so, hey. Like, it's a dead giveaway who it is. Like, we used to walk to the bus stop together and stuff. Like, it's like, yeah, you know who you are. Anyway, so this opponent he's against is like this really big guy, and he's like looking at him, and he's like thinking in his head like, alright, I'm gonna need speed to like win this fight. So the timer starts ticking down, and I just like, I mean, it was like in the blink of an eye. Like, my friend just takes off running, and there's like these mats down on the floor. He just takes off like running, slides under the guy, and like as he's doing it, the guy had attacked him, and like I see my friend like he had like hit him, and then he turned around, he's like slides under the guy hit him, and I think he had like broken his hand or something, because he's like holding his hand, and I'm like, oh my god. And then like it was kind of like a martial arts type fighting style. Like, if you think of like Cobra Kai or something. So they're fighting, and my friend is losing very, very badly, to the point where like he was about to die. And like, because I mean, it was like fights to the death. So this dude comes over, and my friend's like on the ground dying, and I'm like, oh my god. And there was a sword in the battlefield, like, because you could use weapons in the type of fight he was in. And I think they're called shurikens, I'm not positive. But there was like, it's like a throwing star. There was one of those on the ground. And he picks it up and like pulls it off at the end, it was like on the end of a sword. And he takes it and like throws it down on the opponent. And it amputates this guy's arm. Oh my god, my dreams are so insanely freaking wild. So it amputates this guy's arm, and like we can see it on our side, like where me and all the other like people that are in our, I'm like applying this color so bad because I'm so into telling y'all this story. So my side is cheering, because in the rules of the game that he was playing, like getting rid of someone's arm or leg is like an automatic win. So we start cheering, and like the game master, he's like, why are y'all cheering? Like, the game's not over yet. And like, he doesn't realize like what's happened. And so like we're all just excited that like he won, or my friend. And then he comes off the mat, and like he like comes up to me, and like I'm like, oh my god, yay, like he won. And then like the reality sunk in. I was like, oh my god, I still have to do my match. And like the dream ended with me standing there, and I was like, I'm a mom now. I'm not fast or like a good fighter or anything. And I was like, oh my god, how am I gonna win this thing? And then I woke up, and it was like 4 o'clock in the morning. And my dreams are so realistic, to the point where it feels like I lived them. And like they're always so in depth that it feels like I've been there. Like, I feel like I physically just saw that, like, go down. And I'm applying this color so freaking haphazardly. So anyway, yeah, I had that crazy dream last night, and then I had to go to work today, and work was crazy because it was a prom, so there was a lot of stuff to be going on. So this is half of my head, and the 3.38 ounces did pretty well saturating this. I still have a little bit more, so I'm gonna take my fingers and open up pieces and make sure I've got plenty of color left over here. So this was good for about half of my head. So I would imagine 2 boxes of it would be like good for like if you have hair that's like similar to my length or thickness. Alright, we've got one side done. Sorry for that crazy dream story. I have absolutely zero self-control, and if I'm crazy right now, I just got my this cavity on my bottom tooth filled, so my mouth is a little numb, so sorry about that in advance. But I just wanted to talk about Killstar for a second. I have been shopping with their clothes for a couple years now, and I'm like totally obsessed with it. I've got some of their matte lipsticks by Coven, which is the same line that just came out with this hair color, so I was beyond excited when I went to check to see if that skirt was in stock, to see that they now had hair color. I really hope that they come out with a bunch of different colors. I've been in the mood to put some teal in my hair, so I was really like hoping for a blue. I think I might do that next, like a half purple, half teal moment. I really wanted to do purple into teal like ombre, but I don't know. I guess I'll just see like where I'm at and everything. But yeah, Killstar is an incredible brand, and I really love shopping with them. So I was just so excited when they came out with this, you guys. You have no idea. Okay, so here is my hair the very next day after color. I rinsed the color last night. I did not shampoo it. I've not shampooed it yet, and I put some conditioner in it. I just finished curling it, and I'm about to put some of this Verb Ghost oil in it and like rake the curls apart. Here's the pink side. It's kind of more like a magenta. Really cute. Really vibing with it. And then here is the Wolfsbane purple side. And of course I gotta show y'all the back. It's currently Mother's Day right now at the time of me filming this. I might do an update, or I might edit this video late tonight when I get home and just upload it, because I don't know. I'm probably not going to keep this hair color for long. This was just like something for funsies. I've got a lot of hair colors coming up that I'm really excited about that I'm planning on doing, but anyway, yeah. So if I don't do an update, thank you so much for watching. Let me know what you think. And I will see you in the next one. Bye. Alright, I wanted to do a quick update on my hair real quick. I've washed it about 3 or 4 times now. It's been just over a week. I've seen a little bit more fading on the Wolfsbane side than this side, but it's funny because in the shower when I'll like wash each side separately, this side will be like bleeding more. Is that the word? I don't know. It'll be like coming out more than the other side. Yeah, it's going good. I texturized my bangs a little bit so they look a little better, but here's how I've actually been wearing it. I've been just like, I like my hair part on the side like significantly more. You can see where it wants to go. I've been kind of wearing it with like some of the purple over the pink, and I think that it's cute. I think it's a vibe. I don't know. I'm always gonna be a side part girl. But yeah, I'll probably let my bangs grow out just a little bit more because I don't know. They're being a little crazy, but I think it looks super cute like that. I'm really vibing with it. But yeah, I just wanted to give you guys kind of like a little update I'll go ahead and brush it and then I'll show you guys the back. Here's the back at this moment. I don't know how well I curled it today. I curled it kind of lazy. I'm still in my pajamas. I've been cleaning the house all morning, and this evening I have to go get a cavity filled in my teeth, so that's gonna suck. But anyway, I hope you guys have a great rest of your day, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!